And now I went to the doctor probably 2 or 3 days ago, and for the first time I gained 2.5 pounds. I'm 15.
15.
Yeah. I have Lyme disease. It pretty much makes you lose weight, and that's what I'm using this for. And it stimulates my appetite enough to where I can eat, and gets rid of my nausea so that I can eat. Because before I would get nauseous and I'd try and eat and it just wouldn't go down right. And then once I vaporize, about a half hour after, I can eat, I can get an appetite. It's more of a muscular and bone joints. It works in really different ways that people don't really even know. Like, it can spread to your body so fast to just different places that you would never think that would ever hurt you. And yeah, it just seems like it just goes straight for the muscles, straight for the joints, neck, shoulders, back, knees, just, yeah. I would walk around with a pot throwing up. I would never sit down and eat a big meal. It would be little by little, and never something hard on my stomach, ever. It would just be something easy going. Not a lot of liquids either. Yeah, I would not do good with liquids. Yeah, I couldn't drink a large portion of anything. I would just puke it right back up. Yes, I used to take many more pills than what I am now. I used to take probably about 4 pills a day, and now it's back at 4, but there for a little bit it was down to 3, but I found myself in more pain now just because I'm taking new pills that are trying to help me. And now I can keep those down because I have an appetite and it cures my nausea. Like, it just does it. Yeah, I was taking Zofran and Nexium, and I haven't taken one of those in probably a month now. Yeah, and I used to take it daily because I just had to. I couldn't do anything without it. So now I really have improved with that. I was taking Percocet and Oxycontin. And since I started smoking, I don't have to take near as much. Sometimes it's like a Charlie horse right in my back, or a really tightening or stabbing. Yeah.
And when you take medical marijuana, how does that feel?
It calms it down. It really does. It makes my mind kind of not think about it as much. It just kind of takes my mind off, which that makes the pain go away. I just went to my doctor, and when they found out that I gained weight, the whole place just started yelling, and they were all excited. Yeah. And I'd try and eat, and I'd have to just spit it out. I would feel like I was about to puke it back up. And then I heard Patient's Choice, and I got my license, and I started going there. And since then, I've gained weight.
And how they work with you about exactly what you need for when you need it.
Exactly. They're not drug dealers. They are medical people. They don't just sell pot. They know about it. They know what helps people. They go straight for different strains that will help, like your muscles, help just pretty much anything. Nausea, appetite, like how that's done for me.
What would you do if you didn't have
it? If I wouldn't have gotten my license and gone to Patient's Choice, I'd probably be in the hospital. Yeah. Patient's Choice carries a THC type of rub. It's kind of like a Bengay type of thing, but it is just indescribable how quick it gets into your joints and your muscles, and it just loosens everything up. Yeah. If I use that with the vaporizer, I mean, it's gone within 10 minutes. Yeah, I put that rub on, and within 30 seconds, I can feel some relief. Yeah, it's amazing.
Is there anything in the industry that you know of so far, dispensary or anything else that you would like to see change?
Maybe the amount of people that don't really need it, that they're just doing it for recreational use, maybe. That is where I think that they should tighten up the laws, not like shutting down dispensaries. Just tightening up that. This is what people are not just doing it just for fun, you know? That the people that are coming in there are just because they need it, you know? I really don't want them to get rid of dispensaries. There's no reason to. And it helps people, just like me. Well, I should definitely think that they should have a guardian that goes in there with them. Like I have my mom. And I definitely think that they should have a guardian with them, but the age should be any age that can help you. Yeah, like, as long as it helps you, it doesn't really matter your age. You know? It really does.